Let's go! This is looking so beautiful. Bitcoin holders, right now, get ready. We are about to see something big, I believe. So we're talking about Bitcoin. We're talking about what you need to know right now if you are a Bitcoin holder. Then we're talking about Ethereum. We're talking about Cardano. And we're talking about BNB. Welcome back, everybody. My name is Cristiano, bringing you cryptocurrency videos every day. Hey, we are almost at 150,000 subscribers. Completely insane. Would you do me the favor and push this above 150,000 subscribers? I bet if everyone right now who are not yet subscribed would push the button, I am sure that we would be able to hit this actually today. But yeah, make sure to subscribe if you enjoy my content, and let's get right into it. So this is beautiful. Yesterday on the 4 hourly, we have this structure right now, and yesterday you can see that we tried to break this orange line multiple times. We didn't really do that. But look at this. Once we went down, you found very strong support all the time at this orange line at 59,390. Now, of course, the magical orange lines are once again proven that these are very important to pay attention to. But that's not all, because if we go to the 1 hour, we got something really beautiful happening here. So what we got on the 1 hour is, you got the first rejection. You have a brutal rejection here, and we go all the way down, actually below the orange line, and down to about 58,400. And then we have another pump, we have another rejection. We go down to this orange line, forming a slightly higher low. We go up now, this time actually pushing a bit over the orange line before going down, making a higher high. And look at this, once we had a rejection, we're forming a higher low. Another pump. Another pump, we're making this high, and we just went down to this vicinity at 60,271. So you can see a very clear structure here. You can even call this a bit of an ascending triangle, with the top of this orange line being the roof or the ceiling. And this is very beautiful. This is what is making me a bit more confident that yes, I still believe, just like I've been talking about in my recent videos, I believe that we are going to make a new all-time high. I believe that we are going to crush this orange line. In fact, I asked you yesterday on Twitter, if everyone likes this tweet, I will go ahead and I will remove my orange line here at $61,000, pushing the price down. I got 1,100 lines. So 1,100 likes. And so I'm not going to remove this, but I am going to say that I believe that this is going to be crushed here very soon. And so is there a way to play this? Well, we have been consolidating for a while here, and also we've been consolidating in this vicinity right here the previous time we were crushing the all-time high, the 13th of March. So all in all, we have been in this vicinity. There's a lot of demand being built up. There's a lot of pressure being built up here. So I would not fault anyone for jumping into a breakout trade here, Now, it seems like we're already breaking out, so I don't know. But by the time you watch this, if we haven't broken out, I would not fault anyone for jumping into a breakout trade, making a small position and then, adding as we're going down, retesting this. And then once we're breaking this line again, adding even more and then riding it to the upside. So this is the ideal breakout trade. You put in a small position as we're breaking out, you make a high, you don't add anything at that high, but you see that retracement, you add a little bit once we retest this line at $61,000, and then you add even more if we break the previous high from that breakout, in this case at 61,858. That's the ideal breakout trade in my book, and then that is a very high likelihood to actually break higher. So I think that we are going to make a new all-time high. I think that, oh, look at this. This is crazy, 61,000. Where is actually the previous all-time high? Let's go to the daily. Previous all-time high is at 61,700, and so we're about $500 off the previous all-time high. So at this point, I mean, when I started the video, it was kind of not as likely as it is right now as we're approaching it, obviously. So, but this is beautiful. This is great. I like the price action right here. Also, of course, you have the big wedge here on the daily. So if we get up to 63,000, call it $64,000, then we are going to break this as well, which is going to be very beautiful. So this is on the daily. It's looking like this. This is what you need to pay attention to. And guys, if you are thinking about making a trade, you can get $200 for free over on Bybit, $200 for free over on Femex, So make sure to sign up on my links there. You're also supporting the channels. Greatly appreciated. Now let's get into Ethereum. Ethereum looking very bullish still. We are on our way to get to $2,500, guys. That is what I am sticking to. I think that Ethereum is going to do well. And look, even if Binance Coin is doing well, because there's a lot of hate towards Binance Coin right now. So people are very salty, but look, Binance Coin is going to continue to go up and Ethereum is also going to continue to go up. Cardano is going to go up. I think there's room for all of these players. So sure, these Cardanos, Ethereums, BNBs, maybe they will have to get their own niche. But for now, I think that there's room for all of them. And I think Ethereum is going to do well and all of these other platforms which I've been talking about on my channel are also going to do well. And don't get too emotional, because yesterday I went for lunch, the Bitcoin price has dropped, I don't know, $800. All of a sudden, everyone are bearish on Twitter. Guys, take it easy, relax, manage your risk, and most definitely also manage your greed, and things are going to work out. So Ethereum looking good. Cardano, as soon as we were consolidating, or as soon as I called the manipulators to stop manipulating Cardano, we have been going up, and I believe it's just a matter of time before we reach $1.46. That's what I'm watching here. Obviously, you have the support at $1.20 should we have a big drawdown again, but it's looking likely for us to get up to $1.46, just like we have been anticipating. BNB, I talked about BNB yesterday and how the next level of resistance was going to be at $613. So we didn't manage to break that. Actually, we got a big fat rejection, and now we are consolidating a bit on BNB here. But yeah, consolidation. I think that once this consolidation is over, obviously you have the previous support also at 451 should we drop very hard. But I don't think that it's super likely for us to get down to this vicinity if the overall crypto markets continues to be bullish. But for now, I think a bit of consolidation here before, not above that line, but consolidation like this perhaps before we get to the next target at 775. That's what I think is going to happen. We will see. Guys, follow me on Twitter because I'm keeping you updated in real time on Twitter. It takes a while for me to record a video, 30 minutes to record a video, 30 minutes to actually edit the video, 10 minutes to export it. So by the time I'm releasing my videos, the video is already like 1.5 hours behind. But on Twitter, I'm trying to keep you updated in real time. And also tomorrow, there's not going to be a trading video on the channel tomorrow, guys. I am going to be traveling, but I will release a video on passive income. I will also release a Uniswap tutorial, so make sure to check those out. On Thursday, we are going to crush it again. I am going to keep you updated on Twitter though with whatever I'm doing. So again, make sure to follow me there. And also, if you want to apply as a translator and work full-time crypto, make sure to apply on this link right here. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next one.